Okay, I want to document this trade for Apex. Brand new 50K account. I've passed two already, but I want to really pay attention to my trading now. A $500 risk on this trade. Going long the MNQ, one micro, I'm willing to lose $500 on this trade. So what's the day chart look like? Let's start with that. Okay, we've had a nice drop down to the 200 EMA, and now it's pushing back up over the top of it. It's quite bearish, but this is a great place to bounce on the daily chart in terms of continuation upward off this bottom. But anything can happen. Right now, it's literally at a place it could reverse and fall down. Absolutely. Flip a coin. It could go either way. And when I say flip a coin, that just simply means make sure you have your risk management in place, because the one who's going to win is the one who loses less sometimes. You don't want to lose everything on a DCA trade, dollar cost averaging, keep adding below the account. I mean, it can work rarely, but so I'm just going to risk $500 on this trade. So what's the day chart look like? Okay, we're in this day right now. It's actually Sunday evening. So tomorrow, Monday, when the market wakes up, I'm hoping this thing keeps going up here. But it's right at the 8 EMA, and this is a good place for price to roll back around this way if it wants to. And remember, anything can happen. But my bet is a $500 risk that it's going to go up. And I'm really interested into knowing and seeing if I just keep my word, if I'm going to try to wiggle out of it or manipulate so that I can stay in the trade and then end up losing more. And sometimes you may violate your rules and your risk limit, and it actually works in your favor, and that's bad, because then you think you can keep doing that. So where are we at here? I'm using the tick charts. What's the hourly chart look like? Okay, on the hourly chart right here, 60-minute, it looks like my first ad. Okay, I'm betting this is going to go up. This looks very bullish right here. My first ad is right here. I got long one here. I'll add here and I'll add here. If it keeps going down, at some point it will find support. It may come all the way down to this fair value gap first, all the way down here, which will blow my $500 risk limit. But right now, you got to pick a side, and you just got to manage your risk. That's all I can tell you. You got to manage your risk. Now, these are the Apex accounts. This is not real money. Once I pass two, but once you start passing them, then you can start making real money. So this is just an Apex account right now that has not been passed yet. All right. Looking closer up, you can see the trade that I entered in right here. I wish I didn't get in right here, because could have gotten in down here, but it started taking off, and I had FOMO and got in up high. If I'd have gotten in down here, that would be awesome. I'd probably already be up $90. So I want to make 500. I want to make 1,000, but in order to make 1,000 on one micro, this has got to go up 500 points. So it's going to have to get over 19,000 on the MNQ. It's going to have to get up pretty high to make that. So I don't know. First target, second target with one micro to make $100 or $200. I was risking $500 though. So I really, really need to work through this, figure out, if I make 200, should I take it? Because that's not small. But I really need to learn how to get my one-to-one risk. And let's take a look at the day chart again. If it does go up, yeah, see, if it goes up here to this trend line, a day chart, the 20 EMA, right here's a gap. There's a lot of confluences right here in this area. So right there from where I'm at now to up there is just over 1900. So it's only really 7, 8, 9. It's only like 300. I might be able to make, wait a minute, if it goes up 250, points, I'll make 500. I think I'll be happy with that. Yeah. 250 points. Oh, it could go up 250 points tomorrow. Easy. Could. It could stay right here, or it could go red. We'll see. Anyway, I'll let you guys know what happens on that trade. That's the thinking. That's the plan. That's the risk. That's the structure. Those are the technicals. Now let's see if we have the grace of God to get this accomplished. All right. Have a good day. Peace.